To make manual payments against your mortgage or loan, head to the Finance Manager. Find the mortgage or loan that you would like to record a payment against and hover your cursor over the entry. When the cog icon appears, select Add Payment. On the screen that opens, choose between a regular or extra payment. The extra payment option would be selected for any additional capital or interest payments you have made and will update the loan balance and interest amounts accordingly. Enter the date that the payment was made. Now enter the capital and interest amounts if different to the default values that have already been entered for you. The bank account will display the payment account that was selected on the Mortgage Loan tab when you created the mortgage. If this needs to be changed at a given point in time, please use the Change Loan option on the Mortgage Loan tab. Once you are happy with the payment information, click on Save. To view the payments you make, either click on the loan amount paid figure or on Payments. It is hugely important to stay informed regarding your mortgages. For example, to ensure that you are on the best interest rate, aware of what it would cost you to leave a fixed rate early, and that no payments have been missed. And Landlord Vision can help you with all of that. Thank you for watching this tutorial.